Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Repurpose, another feature which was introduced earlier, but it had some issues and now it's back. So just wanted to show like how you can create a blog or how you can get convert your existing YouTube video or any video and convert that into key takeaways quickly. Or if you want to convert like your blog into an article or something and want to just automatically when you publish something in YouTube, and if you want to like watch for that video, just when you publish it, I can take the transcription and then just convert it to a blog. Just want to quickly show you what it can do so that you can use however you like in your workflow. So in order to get started, we can just start by searching for this. This is a custom app that I developed, which you can get the link from the description if you are seeing this for the first time. When you have this, all you have to do is go to this chat with one AI model. This is the one that we need to use. Just click on it. And once you are here, what you can do is you can now add YouTube URLs. This function was available earlier, but now it's working again. So I'm just taking a YouTube video. This is mine. I just published yesterday talking about the Google Gemini's new thinking model, which is equivalent to like the O1 preview model. And I'm just taking the URL here, and you can just give it like the URL here. You can add up to like 4 URLs, and that means you can give context for the LLM up to 4 videos. So that's like a really great use case if you have any. I'll be using the Amazon's latest AI model, and let me just give me the key takeaways. And if you want to actually see the timestamp, you can just select this as well. I will show you how you can see that as well. So just click on OK and just click on run this model. Once it's completed, as you can see, it talks about all the key takeaways from that video. And as you can see, it's called Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental Model. Model number is 1219. The capabilities, this is multi-model, has got reasoning power. And as you can see, by just giving the URL, I got exactly what I was asking for, the key takeaways in like 8 points. And that's available here. And if you look at the full response, you can see the transcription here as well. So as a text, you will get all the transcription just like this, and without any stamp. So that's how this feature works. If you are wondering how you can use this, you can just add another module. For example, again we'll add a chat prompt, and I now use this thinking model that I talked about earlier to create prompts. I think that's a good use case. So this is the prompt. It's like a long prompt. I'm just copying this prompt here and just pasting it here, and where it says paste your transcript, I'll give the completion from the previous module and just click on OK. And if I want, I can just go to WordPress and publish this like this, take like a post or create a post. So you get the idea, right? Another use case would be whenever you have completed a YouTube upload, you can just take that transcript and create like a social media post and post it to all the social media by taking that, because you have the transcript as the context. You can generate really high quality social media posts for different social medias and use it like that as well. So I will just run this in order to show you like how you can do this. And if we want, we can actually add like a Google Doc, and we can also save that in a Google Doc as well. Expected output is in HTML. So selected the GPT-4 of November 20th version. I'm just clicking on OK and just running this again to see if we are getting like a very good article from by just providing the transcript. I just created an article and it was in Markdown, but it did not look well. But for Google Docs, it supports HTML. So I just changed the output to HTML. Now let's look at how it looks. Now, as you can see, we have a well-written article which is properly formatted. So that's how you create article just by using your YouTube video. So this is like around 643. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.